Hello guys, welcome to UTech, and today we are doing the unboxing of these beautiful earphones. So let's see the back. Yeah, we get a beautifully designed transparent back and the price is around 500 rupees. Okay, so guys, now let's go and unbox these earphones. And guys, in this video I'm doing the giveaway of these beautiful earphones, and if you guys are interested, please check the description below to participate in this contest. And guys, these earphones look very premium, and because of this ear grip we get a beautiful tough and premium design. And these ear grips do not allow the earphones to come out from your ears, and thus this gives you a perfect fit. And nowadays guys, we play a lot of games in which we require a beautiful earphones, and if you guys play PUBG then you must definitely have these earphones, because these earphones looks like a professional gaming earphones built to be the best. And guys, in this entire earphone there is no branding of Ubon, which makes it look more decent and good quality. And the air grip which we get is very soft and does not hurt your ears even if you play PUBG for a long time. Coming up next is the sound test of these earphones, and guys, for that you need to wear a good quality earphones to listen to the music from this earphones. And after sound test, you must be sure about the quality of these earphones. And according to me, these earphones have a good quality base, and the color which we get is only in red and black combination. These earphones are very limited and not available in the market, and I am doing the giveaway of these earphones as done before. And if you want to see the previous video, you can check the I button. And guys, for that you need to do the following tasks given below, like you have to subscribe to my channel, and if you are my previous subscriber then there's no need, you need to share this video on social networking sites, and if I get to 2000 plus views then I'll do the giveaway of these earphones. And guys, after completing all the tasks, you need to comment below your email ID or Instagram ID. I have mentioned my email ID and my Instagram handle below, and the lucky draw will be live on Instagram after I complete my 2000 views on this video. Thank you so much guys.